how to change size of video in Google Slides. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can change the size of a video in Google Slides. And this is how to go about it, okay? The first step is to open your Google Slides and then open the presentation that you would like to make changes to. So after opening the presentation, before you can change the size of a video, you would have to insert the video first of all, right? So the next step would be to select the particular slide where you want the video to be located. Then move to the top part of the screen, just below the title of your presentation, and then click on the Insert tab. Then the options here, you can see image, text, audio, video. Click on video. And after clicking on video, I are brought to the page where you can see a small box on the middle of the screen. The next step is to wait for it to load. Now that it has loaded, you can see two options. You can insert videos from YouTube or from Google Drive. From YouTube, you can try to paste the URL here, or you can just go directly to search YouTube. But for you can just go to your Google Drive, and then if you've uploaded the video, ensure you select it. But if you've not uploaded the video, just go ahead and locate and upload it so that you can be able to get the video. So once you've selected the video, move to the bottom right corner and click on insert, and then you wait for the video to be inserted. Now once the video has been inserted into the presentation, you can change the size. All right, you can see a blue border around the video, right? And making use of this border, you can just easily change the size of the video. But the disadvantage of changing the size of the video this way is that the image of the person will be distorted. But if you do not want, if you want the image to still be intact, the next thing or the only thing that you can do is move to the right side of the screen where you can see a panel that you can use to customize the video. So scroll down until you can see the option size and rotation. Then under that, you would see size, you'll see width scale. So go ahead and change the size that you want to. Do you want to reduce the height or do you want to reduce the width? So if you want to reduce the height, you can just come over here. If you have an exact size in mind, you can type it out directly. Okay. This way. You can also make some adjustments to the width. Okay. But if you do not have one in mind, you can just keep on making use of this button until you can get this exact size that you want. All right. As you can see, just keep on doing that so you can get the exact size needed for you. And once you've gotten it, you can just go ahead, resize it, place it at the right place, and you're good to go. This is how you can change the size of a video in your presentation. All right, so go ahead and try it out today. Thank you for watching and have a good day. Ensure you practice this too.